friends, it's Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to another interesting episode on head ventilation and air conditioning system in Revit. Okay, we stopped here in the previous class. Yep, we stopped somewhere here. We have all those duct and piping all connected to one valve unit. No problem. It's of no problem. Sometimes if the building is very big, you can decide to add more than one valve unit. Okay, but for this one, let's just use a single valve terminal. Okay, we have something like this. Let's see how to create a report. Now let's go to analyze tab. I think, yeah, space. Okay, space tag. No. All right, room bounding. There is no room bounding. Select this. Okay, and hit an OK. So if you go to analyze tab and now you click on space, now you have this. Okay, so click on space separator. I would like to separate this, please. Okay, and now that's okay. Analyze tab again, hit on this. Now select on these guys. Okay, so I decided that maybe if my dog can move, let me try moving the building itself. So let's move it a bit, and then this way around. So you see, still I did not calculate this angle, so which is a problem, a bit of a problem, but let's forget about it for now. All right, sorry, I don't know what happened. I separated this, but I'm still seeing analyze tab, space separator, separate this guy, and the highlighted space. No problem. Okay, so I have something like this. All right, there are 3 spaces on my building. Now let's create zoning. Let's zone it out. Okay, select the species. That's 1. Edit zone, add space, add this one and add this one. Okay, so click on this to remove and now finish it up. So we have something like this for our space, for our zoning. Okay, go back to your level 2, do the same to it. I think if this is selected, cancel, select it first. I think if it is selected, so I don't have problem with it. Now still go to analyze tab, space, and this please, and this places. Okay, so this one I need a space separator. I like to separate this guy here, and that's it. Skip. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, just level 3. Let's see that wireframe. No, I can't. I can't edit anything. I can't edit the graphics view. I don't know why. Okay, so let me just create this and this one, and this small toilets. Okay, that's nice. Now select on this one. Where is it? Okay, separator, and now select on this. That's nice. Finish it. Now zone it up. Add this one, and this one, and this one. Just zone everything up together. Alright. Go back to your level 2. Just finish this one and create another zone. Okay, so we have this, we have this, this one, this one, and last but not least this one, and now finish it up. Okay, so I think we have 3 different zones. Okay, so if I select this, I can rename it to service type, central housing radiation, building name. I guess I can't rename, or I don't know why. I can't rename. Who knows? Okay, let's just leave it. We're going to see it now. Click on this heat ventilate. So you see I have 3 levels here, 1 2 3. Okay, so you can see these are all the setups. I'm going to leave it at default, and now here details, I have 1 2 3. Okay, this is the space 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so all I have to do, hit on calculate. Now let's see the report. Let's see the general report. Okay, my report is out. You can see this is the report on this spacing. Okay, so this is a space summary report. Space summary report 36. To every space, I created spaces 1 2 3 4 5, which is let me show you. To every space, which is, this is a separate space, this is another one, this is the other one. So if I go back to, it's here, reports. Okay, so to every space, this is space number 16. Okay, so if I want, this is space summary 1, zone 2, space 2, zone 3, space summary, space 3. Okay, this is the way they are all arranged. Alright, so we have something like this. Now let's create some tags. Annotate head. Let's add tag, remove leader. I just want some measurements. Okay, so this one, I want some few measurements. This I need a leader. Sorry. The leader. There's also a few tags here. Okay, you can see the measurement for this one is different. Alright, these are all the same things, but I believe this should be different. But this time around I think it's preferable if I get a leader. Right, so I think escape and control Z. Okay, this is the last one I did, and I would like to move it downwards. Alright, good. So I will have to measure between this. Okay, the measure between these two, these two guys to angular measurement, no, radial measurement. It's going to be too much around our area. Okay, we have something like this. So altogether, all in all, I would like to wrap up this. That's why I'm trying to be a bit hasty. So all in all, let's say A1 and bring in this, where is it, make one, and now click on it. So you see I have some few details. Okay, though it's not entirely detailed. Tag by category, and see okay, so escape selected, standard, no, sorry, I'm trying to mechanical equipment. I'm trying to tag this, but I don't know, it's not giving me what I want. Dog, flexible cable, mechanical equipment, this is the one I want. I'll say okay, and let's see if sorry, apply, and okay, it's still showing me just one. I don't like this, though I can edit it and say write the detail, the name and everything about this, about my valve unit. Okay, let me just wrap up this video. Alright, here it's my report, right? From here, schedule, I have my space report. Go to sheet. Where's my sheets? Okay, yeah, sheets A1. From here, I edit this show crop region, and just drag it. Is much more easier than editing it. Okay, now hide crop region, deactivate view, move it a bit to this place, and so select this one and move it up, reduce the height. Okay, so you can just see this should come up to this place, so it's quite very big. So this is the report I was talking about. So you can see these are all the readings. Space schedules for outdoor air. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here for heat ventilation and air conditioning, though I'm going to treat an advanced course on it. This is just the basics. Believe me, this is just the basics, because there are some things I did not show you in these tutorials, but in the future I'm going to create a much more advanced course. For now, you should have an idea on this is how it is and this is how it is supposed to look like. Okay, that's the essence of this tutorial here. You will have an idea on a specific event or specific thing about it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Let's see same time tomorrow for another interesting episode of another different video, because I'm going to stop here for heat ventilation. Okay, I will link the file in the description of the video, and also I would like to ask you to please subscribe, share and like this video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.